Let's start right away with what I used as the amplifier and power supply, as well as other components used to make these speakers. I don't think the woodworking process, like cutting and so on, is very interesting. So, let's get started. The power supply is a 19-volt IBM laptop adapter with a power rating of 90 watt, so the total power of the amplifier does not exceed it. Even if it reaches its maximum, it will start to distort and operate irregularly. All in all, until I get a 24-volt, 10-amp power supply, I'll have to be satisfied with this one. Additionally, there's a powerful bass speaker from an old Samsung home theater system. Also, all the other speakers are from the home theater system as well. The amplifier, based on the TPA3116 chip, is designed for 100 watts for bass and 2 channels of 50 watts each at 4 ohm impedance. Since I'm not sure how much the speakers can handle and the power supply isn't 200 watts, I halved the power by using an 8-ohm bass speaker and 2 side speakers, each at 4 ohms connected in series. Overall, the source of the audio signal is an FM MP3 Bluetooth module, and since it needs to operate at 12 volts, there's a small regulated step-down module. The dancing LEDs are from eBay. The link is in the video description. All in all, they're not finished yet, but in these pictures you can roughly see how I process the front and how it should look in the end. Listen a little more, and of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I still respond to all questions because I don't have so many comments that I can't keep up. Thanks for watching, follow me, and until the next video, which will be out very soon, see you.